specific logical. You need to know the capability offset in PCI config space, so and then to do the FAR of the device. Okay, we are talking about the graphic pass-through. Next, then we will show the performance. Our test environment is we use the Intel Q45 IGD, and the native configuration is one CPU and the memory is 1 GB. And the guest is we also use one virtual CPU, and the memory is also 1 GB. And the operating system we use Vista 32-bit, and with his driver. And the benchmark we use is 3D Mark 06. Here is the result. Here is the result. You can see here the one is means it's the native performance, and the biggest shows the guest performance compared to the native. So we can see it can achieve very good performance. It's near to native. You can see the average is percent 98. Include there are some shader or rendering here. Okay, the conclusions is first we see the graphics pass-through has some special compared to the general PCI pass-through. And next is then now it already supports the graphics pass-through. But the IGD patch we was sent to the main list, but it's still under review. The last one is the graphics pass-through can achieve excellent performance. So so we are done. So is there any questions?
First question. I noticed that a few of your benchmarks got 100%, which is excellent. And I'm wondering where the time is lost on the other ones. Where the inefficiencies come in. For example, with CPU2 Red Valley, which seems to be the lowest. Do you know why?
Why some is low, some is
yeah.
The benchmarks, I think maybe the CPU. So actually, I'm with.
For the CPU availability, the test is targeted for the CPU performance, and also for the other like smaller than one is about the hardware feature like shaders and also other like the pixel shader and the text shader, and also the HDR2. They are targeted for the GPU capability. With our graphics pass-through searches, we can control the capability. But as you know, that some tasks are still handled by the CPU. Part of the task will be calculated by the CPU and then transfer data to the hardware to do the calculation. So there's some performance loss in the transition.
So you're saying that the losses are all CPU performance losses? The inherent lack of CPU virtualization?
Actually, not the CPU issue, because it needs the driver to do some task, pre-sending the data to the hardware. Yeah.
然后还有其他问题吗？用。
What about the scalability of this graphics pass-through? Scalability.
The scalability, what do you mean exactly? You mean the...
We have many VMs in the host, in the single host.
You need to share the graphics capability in the domain?
Yes.
You know, the pass-through, this approach, I also said the device is assigned to a guest, so only the guest can have this GPU, so can have the capability. Other guests don't have the capabilities. So if there are more than one graphics device in your system, so maybe you can assign them to different VMs. So that gets through to have the. Thank you. Okay, thank you.